Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Constructing Minds. From this week onwards, we will be starting a series on technological updates for professionals like CAs, CS, CMAs, teachers, lawyers, which will help them to carry out their day-to-day tasks with ease and efficiency. This is very essential at a time when a lot of us are working from home online. This week, we will have a look at the Microsoft OneDrive. OneDrive is a cloud-based solution to save all your working files, and you can also access them from wherever you are. You can even access the same from your mobile. OneDrive provides you the following benefits among many others. First, you can access all your files saved on OneDrive from anywhere. Second, you can save files on OneDrive and can save your space on the hard disk. These days, laptops are fitted with SSDs, which are of low storage. You can overcome this shortcoming by using OneDrive. Third, you can share the stored files on OneDrive with anyone and also provide them access to edit these files. The files which can be shared on the mail have a limit based on size. However, there is no limit to size when the files are shared on OneDrive. First of all, let me show you how to download OneDrive on your system. In case you are using Windows 10, you already have OneDrive pre-installed. Here I am already using Windows 10, so it was pre-installed here as you can see on my screen. In case you are using Windows 7 or 8 or Mac, you can download from Google. Let me show it on the screen. First of all, go to Google, type download OneDrive. Initially, Microsoft provides you the storage space of 5 GB free of cost. You can store a lot of data in 5 GB. In case you wish to have more storage space, there is a plan of Rs 140 per month in which you can get a storage space of 100 GB. After downloading OneDrive, you can sign up with a new account, or if you already have a Microsoft account, you can sign in. After signing in, you will get a OneDrive icon on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. When you click on the OneDrive icon, there is an option of Open Folder. When you click on the Open Folder option, a folder opens which you can see in My Computer section as well. On opening the OneDrive folder, there are a number of folders such as Desktop, Downloads, etc. You can store all your files in these folders. Let me copy some of the files on my desktop to OneDrive folder. Right click on an empty space and click refresh. Now you will see a small green tick. This means that the files are on the system as well as on the cloud. Now if you want to access these files from anywhere else, you can go to onedrive.live.com and log in. You will see all the folders as in the OneDrive folder on your system. You can easily open these files online. Another feature which is very interesting is that you can share these files with anyone. Right click on the file and click share. You can put the mail ID of the person you want to share the file with. You can also give the rights to the person with whom the file is shared to edit the file. An option of expiration date has also been given so that you can set the date, and after that date the file will not be able to be edited. You can also create a new folder, a new Word or Excel file online and store it. You can right click the new Word or Excel file and click Move to and move it to a folder of your choice. Another very interesting feature is the embed function. When you right click on a file and select embed, there is an option to generate an HTML code. You can copy this code, and in case you have a website, you can paste this link there. Now even if you make any changes to this file here in your OneDrive, the changes will automatically reflect in the website. You don't have to make changes on the website again and again. You can also download OneDrive on your mobile and enjoy all the features therein as well. So that's all for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. In case you have any queries, you can post them in the comment section. Thanks a lot.